This is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. The time of year is Halloween, so I thought I would do something a little interesting. My chair doesn't seem to want to sit up anymore. I don't care for this. But I have something here you might find interesting. Look! It's from Japan, and it's supposed to be spicy. The last time I kind of thought, nah, Japan, spicy, whatever. It bit me hard. So, we got 3 minutes. It's a Yakisoba from Peyoung. Bowl. Bits. Noodle block. Let it submerge. Come on, submerge. You can see that? Yeah, you can see enough. So, yeah. And I'm going to do a little bit of Halloween whimsy to this one. If you allow me the artistic license for 3 minutes with a lid. So today it was a rainy day and Mimi and I went on our walk. Unfortunately, it didn't last extremely long because, as I said, it was a rainy day. Well, we went to the store, and Halloween and all. I got a beard scratcher. You have to push the button that says "Try me," but so that's fun. Sadly, though, it terrifies my daughter. Her eyes get big, and then her mouth gets open. She's like, and then the squinting and the high-pitched shrieking begins. But yeah, I mean, for me it's fun, but for her it's some kind of outer worldly hell. Let's see. Will it walk? It just kind of massages in the same spot. See? Doesn't really make any headway. That's kind of fun though. I like the bloody stump is very nice. Right there. It looks like that has some good barbecue sauce on it. That looks like either KC Masterpiece or maybe the stuff you get on your McRib. But kind of makes me hungry, you know. But yeah, she is not a fan. I'm curious to see how my 4-year-old son will take to it. I was thinking I could put my jacket on and like shake his hand and offer him a weird thing. That might freak him out. I don't know. But 'tis the season for freaking out, so it's all right. Can you see that? Yeah, you can just see the stump mostly, huh? Here, let's give you a little more than the bloody stumpy thing. Here. That's more fun.
Why, look, I have bought myself a hand. It gestures. Yes, more, yes.
So anyways, this right here is going to be part of a mukbang. And I haven't done a mukbang for a long time, but I figured 'tis the season. So. Also, the top 10 spicy list should be dropping somewhat soon. I know. I've been absolutely lazy and sluggish about coming out with top 10 lists. It ain't being lazy and sluggish, folks. I'm a busy guy. Part of it is just because I'm busy. Part of it is because I choose what's making me busy. I tell you what, you want to get 30,000, 40,000 steps in walking in the day. That takes some hours. And, yeah. And no, I'm not going to take up running because that's, oh man, that messes up my knees and back and everything. Not worth it. At least at this point. So, yeah. Walking. And I'm trying to do all these push-up stuff too. So, that's fun. But yeah, we went out, we got rained on really, really hard. It rained. A hard rain. Where'd the, there they are. Haha. Lost my scissors for a moment. Here is the sauce. It's very thin as this stuff usually is. I'll be honest, and if you're Japanese, you're gonna be like clicking the X or the back button so you can back out of this video probably as fast as you can. Honestly, of all the instant yakisoba, this brand really is not my favorite. And a lot of people are like, dude, it's Japanese soul food. It's like, Japan has a much more beautiful and stronger soul than this stuff. But, you know, a lot of people really enjoy it, so good for you guys. I just am not as enthused. Like, I'm stirring it, watch. I'm stirring it up right now. Wow, that smells so sweet. But note how the noodle picks it up. It's a thinner sauce, and it just doesn't. I don't know. It's. Dare I say the pot noodle of Japanese yakisoba. I mean, it's just not where it should be. I've had so many that are so much better. However, they made a chocolate and I believe, no, they didn't make the strawberry shortcake yakisoba, but they made a chocolate one that I really always wanted to try. But I think they just basically ended that, so that's not helpful. But anyways, let's plate this sucker with a plate. Okay, you can see that. Yeah. Alright. So we're going to do a little bit of Halloween fun. Do you like the fun? Here, let me do this without banging the camera as usual. It is a seriously dark day here in the Seattle land area. It's still dark. I mean, I've got these really beefy headlights for the stroller. Yeah, I do. And, what? And, with both of them on, I could tell it was just blinding people. And that was after like 9 a.m. It was great. One thing I enjoy is, making people feel uncomfortable and inconvenienced by things such as that, especially when, there's a justifiable need for it. And of course, the fact that I've got a stereo on the stroller that's really loud. We were actually playing Van Halen this morning. We were playing a older album called 1984. That one's got Jump and Panama and Top Jimmy and just a whole bunch of stuff on it. Hot for Teacher. Miri starts banging on the stroller. She's all like, when the drumming starts. Okay. Here. Alright, this is done, but I want to make it a little more Halloweenery going with the thing. So, as with the other Halloween review that I did, add a little something. It's not edible, but it's fun. Some eyeballs. Oh, saucy eyeball. So I'm going to try to... Oh, this is going to be a spicy one, dang it. I mean, I want it to be spicy, but I don't know how spicy's gonna treat me. See, I had 2 teeth pulled recently, like Saturday, and so I don't know how that's gonna work in my mouth. My mouth, M-O-U-F-F, or as in Canada, they would say moof, which I think is probably the correct way to say it. I mean, like the word Canada. Yeah, just shoving these eyeballs in, just like I usually do. Where are your eyeballs? Oh, why are you just shoving those eyeballs in, man? You gotta finesse those eyeballs. Yeah, I'm just gonna shove them in here. Just looks like a bowl of eyeballs, just like most of my cooking. I have a feeling this is going to be a capsaicin oleo resin feast. It stings. It's the kind of spicy that just pretty much stings. So I'm not really keen on. I like a little more flavor, but I don't think we're gonna get that. Alright, here comes the last of the eyeballs. Put one right in the middle looking straight up. Come on, straight up. Straight up, eyeball. Alright. Well, I think it's rotational time for Rotato. And then it's going to be time to take this over to the place, the computer area, and do the mukbang. So that should be fun for you to search for that video. Actually, all you need to do is go to my channel and go to the mukbang section and just start scrolling and you'll find it. It's called Peyoung Max End. Come on, stay there. Nothing worse than a tripod with like a limp tripod. Well, what a nightmare. try this. Man, this is not how I was hoping this video would go. Jesus. Alright, Rotato. Come on. There we go. Rotate. Here's some weird music. Alright, so this is the Peyoung Gekikara Max N. This is like, I guess, the hottest they're gonna make. So I'm gonna go eat it now. Go watch that video now. Just do it. Like and subscribe. Be nice. Christmas is ribs. Alright, later.